So we have to evaluate some problems with logarithms. So I have log base 2 of 64. So I like to write it this way. Log base 2 of 64 equals what? Now, how do we rewrite this in exponential form? The base is 2. So 2 to what power equals 64? 2 to this exponent, 2 to what power equals 64? We want to find out what that is. So let's go through our list of powers of 2. 2 to the first is 2. 2 to the second is 2 times 2 is 4. 2 to the third, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 2 to the fourth, 16. 2 to the fifth, 32. 2 to the sixth, 64. So if that's the case, what that tells me then is log base 2 of 64. 2 to what power is 64? 2 to the sixth is 64. So we conclude log base 2 of 64 equals 6. Why? Because 2 to the sixth power equals 64. Now for this next one, I have log base 3 of 1/27 equals what? So we want to try to find out. So we start with the base. The base is 3. 3 to what power equals 1/27? Well, we've got a little bit of work to do here. 3 to the first is 3. 3 to the second is 3 times 3 is 9. 3 to the third is 27. So how do I get 1/27th? 3 to the negative third is 1 over 3 to the third is 1 over 27. So 3 to what power is 1/27th? 3 to the negative third is 1/27th. Remember, this is what we had before. 3 to what power is 1/27th? Which tells me then that my answer is equal to -3. Or the conclusion being log base 3 of 1/27 equals -3. And I've got one more here. I've got log base 8 of 2 equals what? So again, starting with the base, 8 to what power equals 2? Well, this one's going to be a little bit different because 8 is 2 to the third power, right? 2 to the first is 2. 2 to the second is 4. 2 to the third is 8. So 8 to what power is 2 is what I'm asking. I'm asking 8 to what power is 2, but 8 is 2 to the third power. 2 to the third power to what power equals 2? When we raise a power to a power, we multiply the exponents. So 2 to the 3 times question mark equals 2 to the first. So I get 3 times question mark equals 1. 2 to the something equals 2 to the something. 3 times question mark equals 1. So the question mark would be what? Would be 1/3. So our conclusion there would be log base 8 of 2 equals 1/3.